Will helium ever hit $100? There have been many price predictions out there, and many of them are saying that the coin can 10 to 50x by the end of 2025. With the price currently sitting at $9. In this video, we'll take a look at what the coin is, and the best price prediction by the end of the year. Now, let's get right to the video. Many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. But the coin's price will also be impacted by the crypto market's performance and the adoption rate of and efficiency of the coin. For many people to take any coin into consideration, first we have to look at what the foundational principle is for the coin, and some of the catalysts and things that have to go right for the coin to reach those 10 to 50x numbers and how realistic those price targets can be. And we'll also take a look at a very realistic price prediction for 2025. An overwhelming number of analysts believe that the coin could go well beyond its previous all-time high considering mass adoption, an increase in retail investors, and a combination of whale accumulation. The coin has not gained much popularity, yet despite its huge potential, it's regarded as one of the best cryptocurrencies to hold. First, in the coming years, the performance of the crypto market will have an impact on the coin's price, considering the path of Bitcoin's price and the adoption rate following the implementation of network improvements. You also have to consider that we are now in a new era of cryptocurrency investments. Aside from the regular 3-year bear market to a 1-year bull market, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. So, what is helium? Helium is a decentralized blockchain-powered network for Internet of Things devices. Launched in July 2019, the Helium mainnet allows low-powered wireless devices to communicate with each other and send data across its network of nodes. Nodes come in the form of so-called hotspots, which are a combination of a wireless gateway and a blockchain mining device. Users who operate nodes thus mine and earn rewards in Helium's native cryptocurrency token, HNT. Helium's goal is to prepare IoT communication for the future, identifying inadequacies in current infrastructure from its birth in 2013. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Helium aims to improve the communication capabilities of wireless Internet of Things devices. In 2013, infrastructure around IoT was still in its infancy, but developers wanted to add decentralization to their offering, hence referring to it as the People's Network in official literature. Its core appeal will be to device owners and those interested in the IoT space, with financial incentives providing further outreach possibilities. Network participants purchase hotspots, a combination of a wireless gateway and a miner, or build their own. Each hotspot provides network coverage over a certain radius, and also mines Helium's native token, HNT. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see a new all-time high of $100 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.